Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Dryer Booster is probably one of the most underrated laundry essentials, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine your clothes smelling fresh and amazing, even after being tossed around in the dryer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dryer scent boosters, exploring different brands, scents, and how they can transform your laundry routine from mundane to marvelous. Get ready to elevate your senses and say goodbye to boring, unscented clothes. Number 5. Downy Infusions Calm Scent Booster Beads. These scent booster beads give your clothes up to 12 weeks of freshness. It keeps your clothes smelling great from wash to wear. Infused with the soothing scent of lavender and vanilla bean, it transforms your laundry experience. The scent will bring a sense of calm to your day. Simply toss a capful of the beads into your washing machine before adding your clothes. You can add more beads for extra scented laundry. This product is safe for all washing machines. It provides lasting freshness with every load, making your laundry routine more enjoyable. For an even more tranquil scent, pair it with Downy Infusions Calm Liquid Fabric Softener and Dryer Sheets. Using these together will enhance the overall scent. What we like. This scent booster gives your clothes a long-lasting, soothing fragrance. It transforms your laundry with the calming scent of lavender and vanilla bean. If you like a tranquil scent that lingers, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The scent is calming without being overpowering, and it leaves clothes smelling fresh for days. The beads dissolve completely in the wash, so there's no residue left behind. They leave clothes fresh, soft, and with a soothing fragrance that truly lasts. Number 4. Fresh Wave Laundry Booster 24 Fluid Ounces. Introducing Fresh Wave Laundry Booster. It's an odor absorber and neutralizer designed to remove odors from various fabrics. This product is perfect for your laundry needs. This laundry deodorizer is great for eliminating strong odors. It effectively removes smells from sweat, pets, and wet clothing. It can also be used on other surfaces. It's easy to use, just add a few capfuls during your wash or rinse cycle. This versatile odor remover can also be used in appliances, drains, floors, and toilets. Fresh Wave laundry boosters are non-GMO and non-hazardous, making them safe for everyone. It's made with natural, plant-based ingredients. The scent vanishes as it works. The formula includes lime, pine needle, clove, anise, and cedarwood oils. The scent is from these plants, but it disappears during the wash, leaving a fresh smell. The Fresh Wave you love has a new look with updated packaging. However, the formula inside remains the same, ensuring the same great results you expect. Packaging may vary. What we like. This product is a powerful odor eliminator, perfect for tackling tough smells from pets or activewear. It uses natural, plant-based ingredients, making it safe for your family and the environment. If you're dealing with stubborn odors, this is the solution you need. What people say. This product is great at removing odors from laundry. Fresh Wave solves this problem. You put this in the softener dispenser in your wash machine and now your clothes smell great out of the wash and even while working out. Number 3. Kind Laundry Ocean Breeze Scent Booster. Introducing Kind Laundry Scent Booster. Made with a single plant-based ingredient, corn, and blended with fine fragrance. This will bring freshness to your laundry. These laundry beads provide long-lasting freshness. It keeps your clothes smelling great for up to 12 weeks, eliminating unwanted odors. We make it entirely from plant-based ingredients, so it leaves no residue on your clothes. It's a safe and effective way to freshen your laundry. The fabric deodorizer beads come in a cardboard container. You can easily break it down when finished or reuse it. We are committed to a plastic-free planet. One bottle provides up to 21 loads of freshness. It is also chemical-free, so you don't need to worry if you have sensitive skin. Enjoy the delightful aroma. What we like. This scent booster is made with plant-based ingredients, ensuring no residue is left on your clothes. It keeps your clothes smelling fresh for up to 12 weeks. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option that delivers long-lasting freshness, this is a great choice. What people say. They melt away nicely in the wash. No residue on my clothes as far as I can tell. Smells fresh and clean even after dryer cycle. Sensitive skin nerds in my home have not had any issues with this yet. The scent in the washer is next level strong. After you dry your laundry you can still smell a nice clean scent. So far, works well, and have zero issues. Number 2. Downy Unstopables Fresh Scent Laundry Booster. Tired of clothes losing their fresh scent? This product adds up to 12 weeks of freshness. It elevates the everyday, keeping your clothes smelling great even out of storage. Using this product is simple. Just shake the beads into the cap, and toss them into your washing machine before your clothes, detergent, and fabric softener. This scent booster is safe for all colors and fabrics. It can be used in any washing machine, including both He and TL machines. The fresh scent is bright and airy. It will leave your clothes smelling clean and vibrant. Whether you have a high-efficiency or top-load machine, this product is perfect. Just add as much as you like before you add your clothes, detergent, and softener. What we like? This product provides 12 weeks of freshness, elevating your everyday laundry experience. It's safe for all colors and fabrics, and easy to use in any washing machine. If you want a bright and vibrant scent that lasts, you should consider this. What people say. These Downy Unstoppable Scent Booster beads have become a staple in my laundry routine, providing noticeably longer-lasting freshness compared to just using regular detergent and fabric softener alone. The beads dissolve completely in both hot and cold water without leaving any residue on clothes, and they work particularly well for athletic wear and towels that tend to develop odors over time. The lush scent smells incredible and lasts for days, even weeks, on clothes, towels, and bedding. Number 1. Downy Unstoppables Fresh Scent Booster. Tired of laundry that doesn't smell fresh? This product is designed to give your clothes a long-lasting, vibrant scent. It elevates your everyday freshness, even when stored. Using this product is easy. Just shake the beads into the cap, and then toss them into your washing machine drum before adding your clothes, detergent, and fabric softener. This scent booster is safe for all colors, fabrics, and washing machines. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't damage your clothes or your machine. The fresh scent is bright, airy, and invigorating. It will leave your clothes smelling amazing. Enjoy the long-lasting freshness. Whether you have a high-efficiency or top-load machine, this product is perfect for you. Add as much as you like for a customized scent experience. What we like? This product provides 12 weeks of freshness, elevating your everyday laundry experience. It's safe for all colors and fabrics, and easy to use in any washing machine. If you want a bright and vibrant scent that lasts, you should consider this. What people say. These Downy Unstoppable Scent Booster beads have become a staple in my laundry routine, providing noticeably longer-lasting freshness compared to just using regular detergent and fabric softener alone. The beads dissolve completely in both hot and cold water without leaving any residue on clothes, and they work particularly well for athletic wear and towels that tend to develop odors over time. The lush scent smells incredible and lasts for days, even weeks, on clothes, towels, and bedding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.